The skeleton system of human body consists of skull, backbone, and ribs, breastbone, bones in our arms and legs, shoulder bones, hip or pelvic bone. But these all are the bones present in our body in the different parts. Okay. So in skeleton system there are 206 bones present in our body in the different parts of our body. Yeah. So next we will going to discuss the functions of skeleton system. What are the functions of these all are the framework of the body, like see skull, they are the different parts of our body. Okay. So functions of the skeleton system. First function, it forms framework of the body. So we will join bones and bones, they will make framework, means collection of bones in our body. And second, it helps to protect and keep the delicate organ of the body in their proper position. The bones which are present in our body protect them delicate organs. Some first heart is a delicate organ. The bones are present that will help them to protect the heart. Clear? For example, the bony cage made up by breastbones, ribs, the backbone protect heart and lungs. Clear? Next, it provides bones which provide them support to the body, give shape to the body. With the help of muscles, it helps in the movement of the various parts of our body. For example, any movement of our arms, legs supported by the muscles in these parts of the body. Clear? So next we will going to discuss by in a full body part one by one, like various organs of the skeleton system. First is skull. Skull is present upper side of the brain. Clear? So first skull, they are the two main parts. First is cranium and second is facial bones. Okay, in skull there are the two types of bones are present. We will discuss one by one. First is cranium. The cranium provides a cover and protection. Cover means upper layer of the brain, and protection, protect them to the brain. The bones of the cranium are flat, very flat. Upper side, see and touch the brain and see upper layer of the bone is a flat and held firmly as a zipper like manner. Next second one is facial bones. The facial bones consist of upper and lower jaw and few other bones. The lower jaw is movable. See this one. So the skull also includes a pair of eye sockets. Clear? So next is the backbone. A backbone on a vertebral column extended from the base of the skull, back of the skull here, okay, and start back towards the this one layer. Okay. So next, extended by the base of the skull with the help to the hip, it consists of 33 small rings like vertebrate joint end to end. See these 30 ring, this one. Okay, these all are the rings present in the backbone. Next, so the first 24 vertebrates are joined serially by elastic like cartilage. The main nerve cord passes through the hollow bone tube formed by the vertebrate. The 5 vertebrates of the hips are fused, and inseparable 4 vertebrates of the tail are fused. Which is the backbone having 5 regions, starting from the top of neck, chest, belly, hip or tail. Okay, so these all are the 5 regions of the backbone. Next come on the chest bone. The chest bone form a cone type. See, triangle type. This one, cone type bony cage. The elliptical bones of the cage are ribs. But these all are the ribs. This one. So these all are the ribs. So there are the 12 pair of the ribs, and that will be of the curved shape. We can say round the sides. Ribs are attached to the sides of each vertebrate at the back. 10 pair of these ribs are attached to the breastbone at the front with the help of cartilage. And there are the 2 pairs of the ribs are, we can say, floating ribs. They are here not written. So upper 2 layers of the ribs are, we can say, they are the floating ribs. Okay. So next is बच्चे shoulder bones. The shoulder bone is formed by the collarbone. See this one, okay, and the shoulder blade. It connected the upper part of the chest and the bones of the arm. Clear? So next is the hip or pelvic bones. The hip bone formed by the fusion of three bones. The hip bones together with the help of hip and the tail parts of the backbone form a large bony ball called pelvis. How? But you see, this is the ilium and scrotum, and these all are the arcus pubis. Okay, so they form the fusion of three bones, which means three bones fuse together and make this hip bones. Okay, so next come on the topic, the hip hand bones. But the hand consists of upper arms, arm, wrist, palm and fingers. The upper arm has one bone, this one, and this bone is attached to the shoulder. And the forearm consists of two long bones, this one and this one. The wrist bones are of several small bones, this one, wrist bones. The palm is made up of 5 bones. Each finger consists of 3 small bones, okay? Next is बच्चे the leg bone. The leg bone includes the thigh, lower and ankle and foot. Next is last is toe. There are the 4 types of thigh, lower leg, ankle, foot and toes. Legs enable us to stand, walk, run or play. The thigh bone is the strongest and longest bone in the body. The lower leg consists of 2 bones here. The ankle consists of several small bones. In the frontal part of the knee, there is a disc-like kneecap is patella. Here, bache. Here. The foot has 5 longer bones. Each toe has 3 smaller bones. The toe bones also help us in walking, and here, bache, this toe is helping the walking and running. Clear? So next is bache cartilage. So what is cartilage? There are some additional parts of the body in skeleton. They are not a hard as a bones as we can bend. Here in the ear, but see the upper part of the ear is made up of cartilage. Here, this one part, this is made up of cartilage. The upper part of the ear is made up of cartilage. The lower part of the ear is the ear lobe. We can say it's very soft. This one, but inside the ear lobe. Cartilage is also found at the joint. Bone joint in the body. Up to here, बच्चे, we have completed the various organs present in our body. So next part is formation of skeleton. Do all animals have bones? But for the skeleton of animals we are not going to do. Up to this our chapter is finished. Clear? Next we are not going to do.